Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful day. And in this video I'm going to solve a Hextree challenge, which is the Pocket Hextree map APK, and this challenge is in the Network Interception section. So first, this is not the first flag, this is the second flag. I already find the first flag. You can check it out my previous video, I guess. And this is the second challenge. We need to find the second flag. So you can download the application by clicking here. I already download the application and install it using ADB. You can also drag and drop and install the application. I also set up my burp proxy and open my Android Studio and everything I set up. Now what I can do, I can just run this application, also capture the request. Okay, so the map, one of the map is download, and if we check the request, there are two requests. One is for the map list and another one is for the map download, and the map list is a JSON request, and the second one is a zip request, gzip request, and the extension is ghz. In the lab, it says that write the Hextree file using only network interception. That means we need to write a file, and after writing the file we get the flag. So we need to write a file first. So for that we need a server, so that when the request goes here, it don't go to the main server. Instead it will go to our setup server or attacker server. So for that we need a Python script. The Hextree authority is already give us the Python file. You can find it in the I think second video. You can download it. I already downloaded it, and I already download the code, and I can run it using my terminal. If you have any error, that means you need to install Flask framework first, because it uses Flask. So you can just install pip3 install Flask, or you can search it on Google. I already install, and the server is up and running on port 1234 on my local host. Now I need to install a burp extension, which is http mock. I already installed it, and this is the interface. And now first I need to send the gzip request, or we can just select both of that and send it to http mock, and those are the two requests. Now we need to modify this. Before that, we already set up our server and it's up and running, so make sure that your server is also up and running. Okay, now let's come to the burp, and in the http mock extension we have two requests. One is on one is for the JSON and another one is for the gzip. So now what we can do, we can convert this like basic request to redirect to URL, remove all of that, and just put like this, our configured server. And also we need to like go with map.json because it's a JSON request, so we need to specify the extension here. Now we can copy the request, and on yeah, okay, now we come to the gzip request and also remove all of that and add our custom server with the map.zip file. Also make sure to convert the basic request to redirect to URL. Save. Okay, so now we are set up, and you can do one thing also. You can just like remove all of that and put this, because in this way all the request will be captured. If you also specify the port and select all the ports, because we need to like capture all the possible requests. That's why we do that. You can also like try it with the main request. So now we are set up, and now we also check our server is up and running and everything is like good, and we can now and try to restart the app and like go to the plus icon, downloaded all the map. It says no connection, and if there is any problem, the server request the like our endpoint, hit our endpoint, but it don't return anything. There is also two requests, incoming requests, but it doesn't like return us anything. Okay, now it's like now it's hit the endpoint and show us our selected result. And I think I need to try for like 3 times to retrieve that. Okay, no problem. Now we have the like now we have our injected thing, which is this. We can set up a zip file and like inject it in the Android file system and retrieve the flag. So for that we need to install we need to like open the application into JADX, so we can like run JADX and decompile the application and do some like basic reverse engineering. Let's try to like see the code also. Okay, so like I don't want to search randomly. Like I first go to the Android manifest and check which activities are there, and then I don't want that big like reverse engineering technique. Because I know that the file is in the zip format, then I can just search for like zip file or zip. After digging out a little bit of this code, I found that the code has a path traversal vulnerability. So we already know that the file, the application is download a zip file and then like run it into unzip it into the Android file system. So what we can do, we can just like try to like try to traverse our selected file. So for that we need to like add some code into our server. So instead of like return the zip mock zip file, we can just add this code. So and save it and run it, and it's running again. So it's up and running, and now we can again, we already like set up everything. We already set up our HTTP mock, and now we already like also set up our server, and it's up and running. So now it's time to give it a test, which is we open the Pocket Hextree map and try to download the zip file, and it's not downloading anything. So it's waiting. Okay, so I think I need to like clear everything up first, then I try to, you know, do that again. So let's see, because it's already loaded, so that's why I think I need to like clean the storage, also the cache. Now I open the app and allow everything, and hit the plus icon. It shows there is a map. I can click on the download, but it's not working. And why is that? Proxy, it says 404 not found. So I think it's downloads. I can just give it a try again and close the server, run the server again. Again, come to our Android Studio, clear the app, again try to download the app, and again it's not downloading. Download unsuccessful. And why is that? Again it says 404 not found. Okay, it's not like capturing all the requests, so we can just like, actually it's looking for a G8 zip, but we don't have the file, so like we can just try to capture all the files, because we have the zip file, we don't have the gzip file. So we can do that, and now give it a try, because it's not kept, man, it's not like redirecting to our targeted URL or targeted endpoint. It's actually go to the main endpoint, which is the G8Z endpoint. So again we can now do the same thing, and this time it shows something, which is the flag, and it's again, it's like okay, already download. So again it's, I mean, it's just vanished. So we can again try to, you know, clear the cache, also the storage data, and now again open the application, allow everything, give it all the permission it need, add the plus icon. Now it says no server connection. And why is that? Okay, we can try again and again, and it says it's already like in, and because we need the flag, so we can just click here and uh, scroll down, so we can just download that. It's downloading, and this is the file, not here, and indeed it is the correct flag. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.